I will be explaining how to prove the definition of simple harmonic motion. You study simple harmonic motion if you are studying A-level physics. SHM is an important part of the engineering world, and depending on the type of engineering you're going to study, you're exposed to different types of examples, such as the pendulum bob and mass-on-a-spring system. By definition, SHM is when the acceleration of an oscillating object is directly proportional to its displacement, but is in the opposite direction to the displacement. Using the pendulum to the left, we can prove the definition. We have to take the direction it oscillates into account, so we'll take the red as positive here. The equation for the maximum displacement of the pendulum is given by A cos omega t, where A is the maximum displacement of the pendulum bob, lowercase t is a certain time during the oscillation, and omega is equal to 2 pi over t. Omega equals 2 pi over t because it takes 2 pi radians to complete one full oscillation. That is to go from A past B to C, stop at C, past B again, and get to A. Capital T is the time taken to complete one full oscillation. It's a cos graph because at time t is equal to 0, the graph is at its maximum value and the pendulum bob is at its maximum displacement. You work out the maximum velocity by differentiating the displacement with respect to lowercase t, and you get minus omega A sine omega t. And from here you differentiate maximum velocity to get maximum acceleration, which is equal to minus omega squared A cos omega t. So according to the graphs of maximum displacement and maximum acceleration, you can see they are both cosine graphs, so proportional to one another, but they are 180 degrees out of phase, so always act in opposite directions. Now that we have the acceleration as minus omega squared A cos omega t and the displacement as A cos omega t, if we substitute the displacement into the acceleration formula, we get acceleration is equal to minus omega squared displacement. But since omega squared is just a constant, you're left with acceleration is proportional to the negative displacement. You have just proven the definition of SHM. Thanks for watching.